Matty here. The reason I'm wearing this ugly ass helmet is because in this video we will be testing the chest mount versus the head mount. So yeah, let's get straight in. Okay, we are now recording on the head mount at 4K30. I don't know if you can see my hands up here. It's I don't know how you can guys see. So yeah, this is the head mount. I'm stop talking. I don't have my mic right now with me, so this is also shows the audio differences between the head mount and the chest mount. Can you really, I look really weird with this on my head. I mean, who the hell doesn't look weird with the cameras on their head? I would be riding a trail if it didn't rain yesterday. Because the weather's so nice right now, but 1 hour ago it was raining, and I'm not kidding. Okay, we're still recording on the head mount. As I said, I'm sorry, this is just riding in the city footage. I would like it more to be on the trail, but yeah. Now let's switch to the chest mount. So yeah, this is how the chest mount looks. You can see way more of my handlebars, and I usually stand up when I'm making my videos because if I stand down, look how it looks. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned this, but when I was using the head mount, I was sitting down. I was sitting up like this. Yeah, so you guys tell me which looks better. Over here you can see if I'm pedaling and stuff. But as I said, it's not really good to be doing like this because you can see too much of the handlebars. This is how I usually record my videos. But if you guys think the head mount is better, you should comment because it's also way more comfortable. Wait, the guy almost ran me over. It's way more comfortable because you can sit on your ass and you don't need to sit like. You can also probably see more of the ground over here and stuff. And also the head mount is pretty unsecure. I mean, all that holds it together to the helmet is just a piece of tape. So yeah, this kind of sucks when you're using this mount. Basically, if you want the advantages of the chest mount, it's that basically you probably see more of the bike and more of the road, but you need to stay on your feet. You can't just stay. The advantages for the head mount are the audio is probably better. That doesn't really matter for me because I have a dedicated mic, the DJI Mic Mini, but my dumbass forgot to bring it with me, so yeah, I guess we're not riding with the mic now. So yeah, I'm also pretty interested in getting an electric mountain bike. I heard those are pretty cool. But they're expensive as hell, bro. If you want the light ones, like for real. Those are really cool because you can ride them on trails. You can ride this on trails, but the suspension is not good at all. I really like the M-Flow PL, but that's $10,000, so no freaking chance I'm getting that. Okay, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, blah blah blah, and have a good day or night. Subscribe. Bye.